Certainly. There are several foods that are believed to support and supercharge memory and brain health due to their nutritional content. Here are 7 of them. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been linked to improved cognitive function. 1. They may help delay brain aging and improve memory. 2. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. 2. Omega-3s are crucial for brain health and have been associated with better memory and cognitive function. 3. Turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 3. Some studies suggest it may help improve memory and mood. 4. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin K, which is important for brain health. 4. They are also packed with folate and other essential nutrients. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like walnuts and seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These nutrients support brain health and protect against cognitive decline. 6. Berries. In addition to blueberries, other berries like strawberries and blackberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support brain health. 6. They can help improve memory and protect against age-related cognitive decline. 7. Avocado. Avocado is a good source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which support blood flow and can help lower blood pressure. 7. This, in turn, may benefit cognitive function. Remember that a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is essential for overall brain health. It's also important to stay hydrated and engage in regular physical and mental exercise to maintain and improve cognitive function. Additionally, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice on optimizing your diet for brain health.